Well, let's talk about how you guys are scaling your efforts. I'd be very curious about that.
Yeah, that's a great question, and it's something that we, frankly, struggle with, and because we're really kind of doing it, the old-fashioned way to some degrees, as we talked about, and we've got a great list of clients. Before we engaged you all, we brought on a CRM platform called 4 Degrees. So our first attempt is, we started off with a database in Excel. And that's like, okay, let's make sure we've got everybody's information correct, and then let's start thinking about who's coming back and who's doing more and how much are they doing and how often are we reaching out to them. Now let's take that and get it in our CRM. And so that's kind of the current mission right now. And then how are we continually communicating with our clients? How are we keeping them up to speed on the deals that they're in? How are we approaching them with new opportunities so that they care about it? And so that's where the conversation with you all came up. Where how do we do that better? How do we do that more efficiently? How do we match up what the investors want to see and want to do, so it's not noise, but it's what they really want, so it's actionable. So that curated ability is somewhat elusive. We're not giving up on it yet, and like with your group, it's something we definitely want to explore. We just wanted to get our CRM down and pinned down before we kind of launch, and then add yet another system where we're not putting the time and effort in to really maximize it. But clearly with technology, there's got to be a better, faster, more efficient way to match up investors and deals.